What's up guys, Calvin here, and today I'm going to show you a quick tip on how you can make some extra money online from simply just searching the web. Now this isn't something that's going to make you a lot of money, but if you spend a lot of time searching on the internet anyway, you might as well make some money from it, right? So first of all, this site is called Qmee, right? And what it does is it pays you for searching on the internet. So you search the internet anyway, but while searching you'll get these little ads at the side. Once you click those ads, it will say you can make a certain amount of money from each one. I'll give you an example a little bit later. So first of all, what you need to do is go to Qmee, and what you want to do is register for an account with Qmee. Once you have an account, all you have to do is download the extension for Chrome or Firefox. Install the extension. Once the extension is installed, your account would look similar the same as mine, but I'll give you an example of how much money you can actually make using this. Now I'll show you my history here in my account. At the moment there's 83 pence in my account, which you can cash out using PayPal. Or you can do surveys as well. So here's an example where you can do surveys. Now I'll show you my history here. Now I've been using this as normal. I don't spend too much time trying to find products or look for links or whatever to click on. I just use it as an everyday search, as I search on the internet. And so far I've got a total earning of £23. So it's pretty simple and straightforward. So all you'll do is go to Google, for example, and we can see if we can look for PCs. And if you look here, you'll see it comes up here on the side. Now if we look for gaming PCs, let's see if we can find any here. What about laptops? Let's have a look, see here. Oh no. Okay, these on the sides are not going to show all the time, so I wouldn't put too much focus on it. So I'll just search as normal. So here's an example of what it looks like when you actually find a result. Now all you have to do is click on the money sign at the side after ad. It will take you to the website page, and that money will automatically be added into your account. It's pretty simple and straightforward, but all of it adds up and you do end up making a good amount of money that you can use to spend on buying a drink or whatever you'd like to spend it on.
Who doesn't want to get more when shopping and searching online? Welcome to Qmee, a more rewarding and useful shopping experience where you can shop, earn, and save. Get cash rewards for searching on your favorite sites and engaging with your favorite brands. Get the best prices on products without having to go to different sites to compare. And get money-saving coupons and deals on the items you are shopping for. You can also earn cash rewards for taking part in surveys. Collect your cash rewards in your Qmee piggy bank. You can cash out at any time. There's no minimum cash out amount, so you can cash out as little as 10 cents, treat yourself to a gift card, or help a charity. Get paid for just doing what you already do. It all adds up. Get the free tool to shop, earn, and save. Qmee. It pays to search and shop online.